Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to talk to chat GPT. First of all, you can go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and you can just type right here chat GPT. And what you're going to do, you're going to just download the chat GPT, and that's been powered by OpenAI. And after you download it, just go ahead and open up the app, and you can talk through your mic. You can talk by sending right here like a voice message, right? And then they will convert your audio with to generate it to a text, and then you're gonna be able to forward it to ChatGPT. Or you can add a photo, to basically show them, what picture or what something that you want to be explained or something like that. And you can see right here, next to the mic, the microphone, you're gonna be able to see a headphone. That means that you need the headphones to start voice call with ChatGPT. And basically once you click on it, you're gonna start a conversation with ChatGPT. Unfortunately, I can't show you because they will mute my voice and the ChatGPT voice. So unfortunately for now, I cannot show you, but I will demonstrate how it's done after a while. And then basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.